Why are you going this direction? Oh, Goofy. Can't believe you've done this. What can I lock onto? Not a time save, but at least we got the RNG was alright. The RNG was alright for that one. Bum, 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 bum. So the way I've set up my splits is the best split times is the absolute best pace that I've ever had, and the one underneath pretty much tells you if I did better than average or not. But the actual comparison right now is against PV. Oogie's revenge, or my revenge on Oogie. I didn't get sniped down this time. Dang it. What? You have points? No way. How is that possible? Only believers have points. Yes. Yosh. Oh, level please. One, two, three. Okay, yep, the time save starts now. There we go, we saved a little bit there. How are they still alive? Jesus. Oh my god. It's fucking die, man. It's fucking die. It's fucking die. Yeah, I didn't have a really good pattern, sadly. That's okay. Watch the comeback of a century on this after party stream. You won't believe what happens next. 10-second time save in Oogie, and then another 10 seconds in Oogie Manor, 30 seconds time save on a hook. Oh, it's gonna be magnificent. It's gonna be maleficent. Why are you going this direction? Oh, Goofy. Can't believe you've done this. What can I lock on to?